Weather Service in Mobile has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Mobile County in southwestern Alabama, southwestern Baldwin County in southwestern Alabama, until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles east of Big Point, 9 miles northeast of
I got a special marine warning.
south of Gaucher, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Daphne, Fairhope, Gulf Shores, Foley, Orange Beach, Robertsdale, Bayou Lombator, Point Clear, Dauphin Island, Loxley, Magnolia Springs, Bon Secour, Summerdale, Silver Hill, Alberta, Côte d'Alme, Fort Morgan, and Alabama Port. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 a.m. Central Daylight Time for southwestern Alabama and northwestern Florida. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Baldwin and Mobile. A gale warning